Hello everyone, myself Vaibhavi. Welcome to my channel Beginner to Developer. In the previous videos, we have seen that how to use while statements in C, C++, Java, Python as well as C# language. The link is given in the description below. Please watch it before this video. So today's session is about how to use another iteration statement, that is do while statements in C, C++, Java, Python as well as C# language. I have a C++ programming example here. So this is a C++ program which demonstrates the use of do while statements. This is a syntax for do while statements, that is do is a keyword. Initially we are executing these statements, then we are using while keyword, then we are checking these condition. That means in the first iteration, it will not check any conditions, but it executes these statements and then it checks these conditions. Then it will based on this condition, if this condition is true, then it will go for the statements execution. Otherwise, if the condition is false, means then it will not go inside this loop. It will terminate its execution and it will end with a semicolon. Semicolon. Then let's see an example. Here I have declared j variable and initialized with the value 0. Then do is a keyword. These statements has to be executed initially, that is the value of j is. Here the value of j is printed as 0. In this first iteration, it will not go for any condition checking, but it prints the value as 0 and j value will be incremented in this first iteration itself. So the j value will be 0 plus 1, that is 1 in first iteration. Then it will check a while condition, that is whether the value of j is less than or equal to 3 or not. The j value is 1 now because j value is incremented in this iteration. Therefore j value is 1. 1 is less than or equal to 3. Yes, the condition is true. Therefore once again it will execute these statements. So it prints the value, in this case it prints the value as 1 in the second iteration, that is the value of j is 1, then it increments the value once again. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then it will go for the condition checking. So whether 2 is less than or equal to 3. Yes, the condition is true. So once again it executes these statements, that is in the second iteration the value was 2. So in third iteration once again it prints the value, that is 2. Then j plus plus, that means the value of j will be incremented, that is j 2 plus 1 is 3 now. So it checks whether 3 is less than or equal to 3. Yes, 3 is less than or equal to 3. Therefore this condition is true now. Once again it executes these statements, that is here it prints the value as the value of j is 3 now, and j plus plus means here the value will be the value of j will be incremented to 2, 3, 4. So whenever if you come out of this loop and print the value of j, let's see what is the value of j. I will run this program. So yes, initially the value of j is 0, that is in this first iteration it shows the value as 0. Then it increments the value to 1. So 1 is less than 3. It goes for the second iteration and prints the value as the value of j is 1 now. Then it increments the value of j, that is 2. 2 is less than 3. Yes, it comes inside the loop and it prints the value as the value of j is 2, and then j increments, the value of j is 3 now. 3 is less than or equal to 3. Therefore this condition is true. So once again it comes out inside the loop and it prints the value as the value of j is 3. Then j plus plus. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is less than 3. Now the condition is false here. Therefore it will not come inside the loop. So it terminates the loop there. Then it comes out of this loop and prints the value of j. So the value of j is 4 here, because in the third iteration it increments the j value as 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So when you come out of this particular do while loop, it prints the value of j as 4. This is about how to use do while statements in C, C++, C# as well as Java programming. Let's see how to use these do while statements in other language in the next video. Thank you all.